Welcome to Zesty.io Mini Bytes. In today's episode, we're diving into the essentials for developers. From creating your data model to leveraging the power of our APIs, we'll guide you through how you can utilize the tools necessary in creating your first website. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about structuring your data with models. In Zesty.io, models are the foundation of your content architecture, allowing you to define and organize your website's data efficiently. Creating a model is a breeze. Simply navigate to the Schema section, click Create Model. Here, you can select the type of model you're going to create. Define your model's name, then click Create Model, and start adding fields. Fields in Zesty.io are versatile, supporting everything from text and images to complex data structures. This flexibility lets you tailor your content model to fit your exact needs. Adding fields is intuitive. Choose the type, name it, and specify any additional settings. Then, jump straight into adding content. Fill in your fields. And you've just created a rich, dynamic piece of content, ready to be served across your digital platforms. For those who love to visually craft their sites, we have the Freestyle Page Designer. This tool lets developers create custom components that you can drag and drop for a seamless design experience. Let's enhance our homepage. With Freestyle, adding a hero section, rearranging text, or updating images is straightforward. The intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for non-technical users to build web pages. At the same time, developers have full access to code to customize components as needed. This flexibility enables rapid visual page building without sacrificing customization. You get the best of both worlds. But what if you could take your editing powers even further? VS Code extension for Zesty brings the robust features of VS Code directly to your Zesty projects. Using it is very easy. First, copy the instance CUID of your instance. Then make a developer token. Next, create an empty folder and open VS Code to that folder. Then, install the Zesty extension. Next, create a file in the root folder named zesty.config.json and add the following. Replace instance CUID with the value from your instance. Sync instance file by right-clicking the Zesty config file, then click Sync to Instance. Then, enter the developer token and press Enter. And here you go, we can now start editing our instance using our VS Code. Finally, let's supercharge your development with Zesty.io's Node SDK and REST API. So, how can we leverage this? First, there's the REST API. For a comprehensive understanding, you can access the full documentation by going to this website. Zesty provides all the essential endpoints you'll need to manage your instance effectively. Next, we have the Node SDK. Let's take a look at its documentation. Installing it is a breeze with this command. You'll find all the necessary details and instructions within this documentation. I'll drop the link in the description below for easy access. And that's a wrap on getting started with Zesty.io for developers. You've seen how to structure your data, visually design your site, extend your editing capabilities with VS Code, and harness the power of our APIs. For more detailed guides and tips, visit our website or check out our YouTube channel.